right, you guys, welcome to our new home tour. Let's go in. Gonna be my first guest. Ta-da! So this is our new home. Gonna cut some lights on so that you guys can see. So this is the living room area. I love the tray ceiling, the recessed lighting, and here is another view of the living room. So here's what I'm thinking. We're definitely going to put some shades on this door for sure, okay? Here I'm thinking we're gonna hang the TV here, and I'm gonna do some type of movable built-in because we are renting. Okay, you guys, so that's better, sorry. So again, this is the living room. It has two small windows there and one window here, and then we have the doors. So I think what we're going to do is hang the TV here, and I'm gonna do some kind of customizable built-in, I think, in this area, and then we will have our sofas and chairs. I'm not sure if we're gonna have room for all of our furniture, but we're gonna try it out. So here's another view of that space. Okay, so as you're coming through the living room, you see the kitchen. This is what sold me, you guys. You know, I've always been a lover of black, white, cream, and gold. Anybody who's been following me for any amount of time knows that. I love all the windows here. Absolutely love it. Let me turn some lights on in the kitchen. So look at how beautiful and well lit it is. OMG, right? So beautiful and bright and airy. And the only change that I'm probably gonna make to the kitchen is I'm gonna try out the gold handles that look a lot like the Airbnb we were in. So here's the cabinet area. Okay. A little pantry. This kind of pulls out, the drawer pulls out. Soft close. And our cabinets. So we're gonna organize those. All of these are soft close, by the way. The marble countertops. And more cabinet space. Y'all, I cannot wait to get all of this organized. Y'all know it's gonna be the bomb.com. And more cabinets down below. Probably where I will keep our pots and pans and like seasonings. Probably gonna be reaching out to my girl Nikki to like finally get my house really, really organized. And then the same thing is duplicated on this side. Lots of drawers. So I'll probably be adding the gold hand pulls there. And the reason why is because look, the light fixture above the eat-in area has gold in it too. So I think that we will be able to pick up on the gold. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think the gold cabinetry would be stunning on this side? The gold handles, let me know and I'll step back so you guys can get a full view of the kitchen. Okay. And then here is the fridge. So I already got some stuff in store for that in the freezer portion. Alrighty. Alright, so we're gonna go now to the garage area of the house. So you would come through the garage, which my car is already out there. And then, where is this light? Okay. So this is the washroom area. So as you come through the garage, you have your cabinetry there. The washer and dryer goes there, the dryer and washer. And the hookup is already there. And then behind here, you just kind of have a drop off station, which I had been wanting. And then like we'll do like a little cubby hole down at the bottom to store all of those things. Yeah. Okay, so then as you go through the living room, excuse me, like, okay, so from the washroom, of course you see the kitchen and the living room. And then here is a closet. I think this may be my entertaining closet, you guys. Cross your arms and legs and everything else. I think we may have an entertainment closet. And then in here is our bedroom, master bedroom. And I love the light fixture. It's gold. So that's why I think the gold drawer handles may work. In here is our master bath. Hi, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this. So luxurious. Okay. Okay. And so as you can see, she did the oil rub bronze, and they used like a brownish gold for the mirror. So I do love that. And the handles are black in here. I'm okay with them being black. We may change them because look, the light fixtures are gold. So we may change them out to gold. We'll see. Here is our shower. Marble. I just love it. Right? And here is our master closet. And you guys know I want to customize this so bad, but we will see. And the water room, not much special to see here. And then as you're walking out of the master bathroom, it looks like they wanted to put a tub here, but maybe ran out of space. I'm not sure, because like there's this here and then this area. So you guys let me know, what would you put over here? Would you do like a sitting space, a vanity area? Like what would you do in this space? Let me know. All right, so we're gonna cut the lights out in here and head back out of the master. Okay, back through the kitchen. Feels so good in here. So we're gonna go to the left. So this is like a Jack and Jill bathroom. Same thing you saw in the other one, but it has a tub. And your girl, me, I love a tub, okay? I gotta have a tub. So yeah. So yeah, not as much space in the under the bathroom sink. Oops, that one's not soft close. But nevertheless, nice sized bathroom. And We have two closets, so two linen closets. So I'll probably be maximizing this space a little bit more. Over here is going to probably be my office. What I love about this, you guys, is that like the lights and everything is by remote. So you got fan on, fan off, light on, light off. Just really cute. And this will probably be my office filming space, and it also has a closet. So when I do all of my Amazon lives and all of that, we'll have plenty of space. So I think that's what I'll do in here. And then down the hallway is the other bedroom. And I thought initially that this one was right by the guest bedroom, but it's not. So we will probably do the guest bedroom here. So would you guys do your office closest to the front of the house or in the middle? This one has more sunlight, and I think I like that. And then here's the closet. Pretty nice size closet there too. And all this Kichler lighting, I just love it. So you guys, one last view. And then here's the remote for all the lights and fans and all of that. I love all the high-tech stuff in the new houses. We gotta find the perfect table for right here so we can get back to doing our tablescapes. I'm gonna take you guys on this entire tour with me of redecorating our space. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so there you have it. So much has been happening in our lives since we sold our home, and I really felt like I hadn't really let you guys in on the entire process because I don't like to drag things along. And there were times where things were just at a complete standstill. This market is insane in terms of finding homes to buy or even rental properties. It is absolutely insane. So there was a long period of time where we were just at a complete standstill, and I felt like I didn't really have anything worthy of sharing. So I didn't want to share. Like, I just didn't want to share. I wasn't in a space to share, and I think it's okay, right? And so now that we have found our, I won't say forever home, but our next step to our forever home, I'm really excited about it. I'm excited about us decorating it together, step by step. And so this is gonna come together quickly, hopefully within the next month or so. I'm not gonna be dragging on this project forever because I just have to have stability in my life. And so, getting this space together, getting it, to where it feels like home is the #1 priority right now, along with some other things that are a priority in our lives. So thank you guys so much for taking this tour for me and with me. Please be sure to leave your comments down below in terms of like tables and chairs and places so you can find incredible pieces, at an affordable price. I'm your girl. I love living luxuriously for less. So I'm just looking for some stunning pieces for this place to really make it feel like home. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you the next time. Probably we're gonna start with probably a living room or bedroom tour. So you guys stay cool and stay happy, stay safe, stay in a good mental space, and take it one step at a time. You're in no rush. We are not the tortoise and the hare here. This is real life, and we figure it out together. So, love you guys to the moon and back. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!